Hello, for today's video, let us talk about the requirements of getting married with a Filipina for the foreigner husband, especially if the foreigners are from Europe or not an English country. Okay, so you need to have, as a man, you need to have, or as a groom, you need to have passport. You need to have birth certificate. You need to have legal capacity to contract marriage, and that would be the one that you have to take from your embassy. And yes, example, if you are from European country, let's say Austria, then you have to take that in Austrian embassy in Manila. Or if you have from Slovenia, then you have to take it from, for their embassy in Manila or somewhere. Sinumar or certificate of no marriage, you could tell your girlfriend Filipina to take it 6 months prior to the wedding. You have to take it via PSA or here in the Philippines, and all must be translated, and we need, or the government needs, photocopy only for all those documents. But take note, you should have to translate that over. Don't you worry, there were some online that you could trust that they will be the one to translate. For us, we pay 6,000 peso in order to translate all those documents. So valid ID, birth certificate, and Sinumar, and after that there would be 10 days posting, or you need to attend to seminar for 10 posting or marriage license. So I hope this one gives you a hint on getting married with a Filipina. And no worries, like you can feel free or ask me what are the things to do, but this is just a requirements for the for marriage in the municipal marriage or judge, or maybe for a mayor's wedding. However, if you are talking about marriage by by the church, then you need also to provide your baptismal, your confirmation certificate, and also like proof of, let's say, something from your church stating that you are allowed to get married here in the Philippines. And that all, you need to get that 6 months prior to the wedding, stating that all those documents are for wedding intention. That's all, and goodbye for now. Have a great day.